Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. You are watching Bachun ki Dunya or Hum. Here is a speech for grade 4 kids in a very easy, simple English that is heartfelt and powerful as well. So let's start our speech. You must focus on the pronunciation of the words so that you can prepare it well. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Respected principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I feel very proud to stand before you on this special day, 14th August, our Independence Day. This is the day when our beloved Pakistan became a free country in 1947. Our freedom was not easy. Our elders made great sacrifices to give us a homeland of our own. Many people left their homes, faced hardships, and gave their lives for the dream of Pakistan. That is why Pakistan is not just a country for us. It is our home, our identity, and a precious gift from Allah. We should always remember the sacrifices of our ancestors and be thankful for the freedom we enjoy today. As students, our responsibility is to study hard, respect our parents and teachers, and become good and honest citizens. We should keep our country clean, help others, and always speak the truth. Let's promise that we will use our knowledge and talents to make Pakistan stronger and more beautiful. We may be young today, but we are the future of Pakistan, and tomorrow this country will be in our hands. May Allah protect Pakistan, bless our nation with peace and prosperity, and keep our beautiful country safe forever. Let us all work together to build a strong, peaceful, and successful Pakistan. I'm proud to be a Pakistani, and I will try my best to make my country proud. Long live Pakistan. Thank you so much, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.